Hello everyone, this is my review of the Labigo Upholstery Cleaner. With around 18 kPa of power, it does a really good job pulling dirt, stains, and moisture out of carpets, couches, and even car seats. What I really like is how effective it is on tough messes, whether it's pet accidents, spills, or stains that have been sitting for a while. It sprays, scrubs, and then extracts everything in one process. That makes a big difference compared to just wiping things down. Another thing I appreciate is how portable it is. It's compact enough to carry easily, and the hose and cord give you enough reach to clean stairs, furniture, and tight spaces without constantly moving it. The dual tank system is also a big plus. You've got separate clean and dirty water tanks, which keep things hygienic and make it easy to refill and empty when you're done. Overall, this cleaner is a really practical tool for keeping your home fresh, especially if you have pets or kids. If you want something powerful, portable, and easy to use for spot cleaning, this one has worked really well for me. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.